Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another budget-friendly model that I'm doing. Well, I'm not doing, I'm bringing it somewhere to have it done. If you've watched my channel or seen my videos, you know I do a lot of work myself on my vehicle. But today I'm doing, or having some suspension work done on my truck. I am adding a 2-inch level, and I'm confident enough to be able to put the spacers in, but I'd still have to get the truck aligned and everything. So I'm taking it to a local shop who's known for working off-road vehicles, and I'm just gonna have them install the parts and do the alignment all in one go. So I'm not driving around wrecking my tires for any amount of time before I get in alignment. And the cost overall wasn't a heck of a lot more than just putting it in myself and getting it aligned professionally. So what I'm having done is a 2-inch leveling kit from Rough Country. It's just the budget-friendly kind. It's just the spacers being added on the top of the struts. The reason I'm doing a 2-inch lift level as opposed to a mid-range 3.5 lift or even a 6-inch. A 6-inch is just way too high for me. For what I want to do, I don't think it'd be functional. But the big reason I'm not doing either of those two options is that I've been told that if you go any more than 2 or 2.5 inches of lift, your CV axle angle is too great, so you'd have to drop down the front differential in order to not damage or snap your CV axle or your CV joints when you're off-roading and putting a pile of torque on it. So as we all know, I'm trying to keep my truck budget friendly. For me, this was the best way to get some extra ground clearance off-road without sacrificing durability and costing a fortune. So that's my choice. That's why I made that choice, and I think it's going to look nice too. There's always that appearance look where it's just a little bit taller than your average truck. As far as cost, it's going to be $750 all in Canadian. That's taxes, that's alignment, that's labor, that's parts, that's everything. So it's an easy pill to swallow budget-wise. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like trucks or anything about trucks, this channel is all about my Ford F-150 and my journey with maintenance and upgrading and modding and off-roading. There's going to be some off-road videos coming real soon. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it, and it really helps me out too. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Help the algorithm get my video boosted. All right, well, we'll see you when we get there. Okay, so we're back and it looks awesome. That looks awesome. Okay, so I just paid the bill. There it is. It looks deceptively high. I don't think the ground is really level here. If you go in, you can see the puck up in there. Anyways, we're gonna go check it out on some level ground. Alright, well that's it. It's all clean. I can put up the comparison pictures so you can see the difference. The front is considerably higher now. I can really tell the difference. In fact, I think I might want to put a block in the back eventually. And here's a better shot of the suspension. So right after this video, I took a measuring tape and measured the difference, and the front is about 1 inch higher than the back. So I've gone ahead and ordered a block for the back. So that'll be coming soon. All right, well that's my video on bringing my truck in today to get leveled. I hope you all liked it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps out. And give the video a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm keep me making more videos. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.